So, you're in. What's next? Filing an appeal. From the dashboard, head to Appeal and Corner. Filing, Appeal filing. First come order details. Enter your ARN, CRN, application reference number, case reference number of APL1 or APL3 or RVN1 and the system fetches details instantly. Next, basic details. Act, section, state zone, jurisdiction. Then, case and party details. Your details as appellant autofill. Just add respondent details. And if you're representing yourself, mark it in person. Now to the import part. Demand details. Here, you'll specify demand amounts, exemptions, and payments. If you are paying via Bharat Kosh, enter transaction details in the portal. Verification from NIC team needed. If online, simply pick your bank, pay, and the system confirms instantly. Verification from NIC needed. Once payments are clear, head to the document upload page. Upload PDFs of appeals, affidavits, or annexures. The portal even lets you preview before uploading. Tick through the checklist yes, no, or not applicable with remarks. Finally, see a full preview of your APL 0 form. If all looks good, submit. And a 16-digit filing number and a provisional acknowledgement receipt you can print and save.